Now that we have our basic CRUD arsenal, create, read, update, delete, those are the basic operations we perform all the time in the world of SQL, it's time to start building up on them or leveling them up. And what you'll see throughout this course is that a lot of what we do in SQL is based around writing fancy select queries. You will insert data, sure, but when you insert, it's pretty much always the same basic pattern. You insert something or you insert multiple rows. When you delete, when you update, you can get fancy, you can write fancy selections, but certainly when we actually are selecting data and trying to learn about our information, we'll write pretty complicated things, especially when we start working with multiple tables at the same time and combining them. So we're going to be working with select in this particular section. We're going to be talking about some of the built-in string functions. Now, string functions are different built-in operations that we can perform on text columns. So there's a bunch of them. This is the docs in MySQL, string functions and operators. We are not going to cover, not even close to half of these. We're going to cover, 7, 8, 9 of the more useful ones. But there's things in here that help us uppercase and lowercase text, to find the length of text, to reverse text, to replace parts of text. Lots of different operations, and they all have to do with text. And right now we know one column type, one data type that is a text type, which is varchar or varchar. So nothing to do with numbers, all to do with strings or text. So that's what we're going to do in this section. But first, I want us to work with some new data, and I want us to all be on the same page with the same data set, the same rows, so that we can get the same results when we select. So in the next video, we're going to quickly set up a new table.